Alright, we got to check this unit for this unit and this one for the good old summertime. And I put this capacitor here on last summer, so I'm going to see if this sucker is actually holding up. That was real nice. Phone rings, so I try to answer it and it just hangs up. Nice. I didn't want to talk to him anyway, whoever it was. But yeah, I'm going to check this capacitor and see if it holds. Now, the only reason I had to put this one up here is because this one's a 5 microfarad and the fan is actually 7.5, so I actually had to use the second one. I didn't have one of these that was a 80/7.5, so I couldn't use the 5 microfarads for the fan on that side. Been nice if the fan was a 5, but it's not 7.5, so I had to throw that one in there. But let's check and see if this one is actually holding up. So far these, I have never had to replace one of these so far. And hopefully today that statement will still stand. Alright, it's time to see if it actually is holding up. So we do this. Supposed to be at 80 microfarad. $87.6. And it's 6% plus or minus. Well, as you saw, that thing read like 87. And it's supposed to be 80. So now I took all the wires off of it and see if that would make a difference. I know sometimes that'll make a difference on some capacitors. So let's see what it reads with nothing on it. And I did go get another one because it did read that 87, which is out of range, but the wire's off of it. Still reading. Well, there's the old one. Here's the new one. What I like doing is the day I put it in, put the date on it. That way I can tell exactly when I put it in. I don't have to look it up. Alright, got the old one out, the new one in. And I checked, this one's supposed to be a 7.5 and it's reading 6.9. So I'll go ahead and change that one out too. But this one here, this brand here has a 5-year warranty, so that one I can get another one for. This one does not. So this one I'm going to have to charge him for because it's been over a year. So go get a 7.5, throw that in, then check the next unit. After I check the ohms on the contactor and all that, then I'll go start both of these up and check the charge. Clean the inside out, take the fan off, cleaned on the inside, and all that good stuff. Alright, we're going to check the ohms on the contactor. It should be somewhere between 10 and 20. Hopefully somewhere right close to in the middle. See what it is. $17.8. That's in range. And it was only 16 something last time, so hadn't moved much. So we'll let that ride. Still in less than 20. So that's everything inside. Now it's just time to take the top off and clean it out. Then check the gas.